Hola a todos. Me llamo Señor Huff. And today we are learning about Me Gusta and Me Gustan. This is a very, very important question, as I can guarantee you that in actual conversation in Spanish, someone is going to ask you what you like. Let's study it a little bit more. Me gusta means literally something is pleasing to me. But for simplicity's sake, in English we just say I like. Here are a few examples. Me gusta comer. I like to eat. Me gusta bailar. I like to dance. Me gusta estudiar. I like to study. Let's practice, Class A. Can you figure out how to say you like these activities in Spanish? Our first example is cantar. How would you say that you like to cantar in Spanish? I'll give you a few seconds to think about it. There is me gusta cantar. Me gusta cantar. Our second example is caminar. Think about it. How would you say that you like to caminar? I'll give you another few seconds to think about it. The answer here is me gusta caminar. I like to walk. Now that me gusta makes sense, what about me gustan? How is that different? To help us remember and learn this concept, we have to remember the difference between singular and plural. We have to remember that singular is, in fact, singular. It is for one thing, or person, or idea, or place only. With plural, the person, place, thing, or idea is a number greater than 1. So keeping in mind plural, me gustan is used when there is more than one person, place, thing, or idea that you like. It's used with things that are in plural form. Let's make my favorite food, tacos, to illustrate this idea of me gustan. Since there is more than one taco, there is multiple tacos, I would say me gustan los tacos. Tacos, in this case, is a plural form. There is more than one taco. Let me give you another example. Soft drinks, also known in Spanish as refrescos. If I wanted to say I like soft drinks, I would say me gustan los refrescos. Because there's more than one soft drink. Now, let's try 2 examples of me gustan. Let's work on manzanas. How would you say in Spanish that you like manzanas? Again, I'll give you a few seconds to think about it. In this example, you would say me gustan manzanas. That's because there's more than one apple. In this example, papas fritas. How would you say that you like papas fritas in Espanol? In this example, we would say me gustan papas fritas. We say me gustan because there's more than one French fry. That's all for today. Muchas gracias, and hasta luego. I'll see you next time.